Living life like it's 4 p.m. at the Capitol. Word to Slim Thug on 4 swingers and adapters. Shine on my vessel, got my stature in the raps. Ballin' in the mix from here and thereafter. Wrote another chapter about climbing up the ladder. Got glass on the dash.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over the process when replacing a air-fuel ratio sensor on any Nissan, or aka the upstream O2 sensor. Let's get to it. Our code is AF sensor bank 1, which is the upstream O2 sensor, but Nissan likes to call it the air fuel ratio sensor, but it operates just the same. Notice in the bank 1 AF sensor data, it's switching a lot more frequent than compared to bank 2. They're not even. They should be about the same on both banks.
Probably hit the south side before I started walking. Knew about EE before I started talking. Balling up my fist trying to keep these haters off. Crucifix charm the only thing that could cross me. Long hill flow had to kill this track softly. Acrobatic trunk, let it flip and let it thump from the base out the joint. That's that dominant.
Now that we've replaced the air fuel sensor on bank 1, it's imperative that we clear the self-learning data. We can do that two ways. We can do it with the scanning tool here, or we can do it manually by unplugging the mare's airflow sensor and cranking it up with it unplugged. This will automatically clear the self-learning data and set our alphas back to 100. Notice alpha bank 1 and bank 2 are automatically reset back to 100 when clearing the self-learning data. Now our code is all gone.
If I ever would have mank, living life like at 4 p.m. at the Capitol. Word to Slim Thug on 4 swingers and adapters. Shine on my vessel, got my stature in the raps. Ballin' in the mix from here and there after living life.